Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video it is kind of like a highly requested video that I'm sharing because I really had to update my storage of my water decals, because as you can see here there are a lot of different packages I've never opened before, or at least I opened them just to look through all of the images real quick, but because they're all like still packed like this and I can't see the individual sheets, I was like, I have to come up with something to just have a more like clear overview of everything. I actually have some doubles as well. So yeah, I actually saw this like way of storage on Instagram a little while back. So yeah, you'll see that in a hot minute. I'm just going to unbox or unwrap, I have to say, all of my decals, and I am going to kind of like categorize them all in like florals, animal, random shapes, just a lot of different things. But yeah, I am going to do all of them in these card holders. They're like little booklets, and each little page has like 3 slots that you can actually do like personal cards in. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to place all of my like square shaped water decals in there. So yeah, it will make the whole like looking through all of my water decals a whole lot easier. And here you can see I have already kind of like categorized my different decals and just, you know, got them out of the way. So I could actually figure out which ones I wanted to do in which booklet. I got these little booklets from AliExpress. There are a ton to choose from. I just chose some really cute designed ones. They aren't really expensive. I think that I got them for like €2 each, and I actually have to get a couple of more because I have so many floral decals. It's insane that I actually need to get a couple of extra to just make sure I don't have any loose ones like laying around the house everywhere. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. It's kind of like an organize with me video. I know that a ton of you really like seeing videos like these as well, so that's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some music underneath this video, so I won't be talking through the entire like thing because it's kind of repetitive, but I'm showing you here all of the different decals that I am putting away and the different kind of like booklets that I have as well. I'm not sure if I can still find them because sometimes when I get stuff from AliExpress the seller stops selling them or the link has changed or anything, but if you want me to look it up, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any other questions or requests or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below as well, and I will try to reply to you directly ASAP. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.